today we're diving into Rise Guide, an app that claims to help you achieve your personal goals. But is it really effective or just another flashy tool that overpromises and underdelivers? Let's find out what this app is all about. Rise Guide is designed to help users set and achieve personal goals through a structured approach. Right off the bat, the interface feels user-friendly, which is great for anyone who might be intimidated by goal-setting apps. You can create specific objectives and track your progress over time, which sounds promising. However, while the core functionality seems solid, there's a notable lack of detailed information on how the app tailors its advice to individual users. It feels like a one-size-fits-all approach, which might leave some users wanting more personalization. The intended audience appears to be anyone looking to improve their life, but I wonder how effective it is for more advanced users who might need something deeper. One thing that stands out is the absence of user testimonials or case studies. This makes it hard to gauge the app's effectiveness based on real experiences, which is a bit concerning for potential users. So let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the app is easy to navigate and it has a straightforward design that won't overwhelm you. It seems suitable for beginners who are just starting their personal development journey. But there are definitely some frustrations here. The lack of personalization could be a deal breaker for some, especially those who are looking for more tailored guidance. Additionally, without clear user feedback or reviews, it feels a bit risky to invest your time and energy into this app. Pricing is another concern. Without specifics available, potential users might hesitate to commit. Overall, while it could work for those new to goal setting, seasoned users or those seeking a more robust system might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Rise Guide could be worth trying if you're just starting out and prefer a simple interface. However, if you're looking for something more personalized or have specific goals in mind, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, the lack of transparency and user feedback leaves me feeling a bit skeptical about its long-term value.